So for anyone or any business out there looking to purchase something that's extremely rare without ABSD, look no further. This product is a rare B1 freehold in the city fringe area, so it is a gem in terms of industrial properties itself. So come, let me take you on a tour of CT GOLD, where your next pot of gold awaits. So the location of CT GOLD is a gem, giving you excellent connectivity to all parts of Singapore, which is very crucial for any business if you want efficiency in terms of your daily operations. So industrial properties actually do form the cornerstone of industries in Singapore. CT GOLD itself offers you an opportunity to enter into a freehold asset class that will support future economic development in the country. There are a total of 66 units across 8 floors in this development, including 3 large canteens with perpetual licenses, which is extremely rare when it comes to canteens within industrial areas. So one of the key selling points of this asset is this beautiful ramp that you see up here, taking you to different floors up to level 4 itself, giving you direct access to your individual units. So the 66 units actually spreads itself across 8 different floors, but the beauty is actually this mezzanine unit that you see over here. This is almost akin to a dual key unit, giving you 2 floors of access in terms of accessibility and also car park accessibility, which is very rare in any industrial assets. So if you're in the market looking for an asset with no ABSD, look no further. CT GOLD is probably your next pot of gold. So quickly make your appointments with your preferred Huttons Associate to come and view CT GOLD, the gold standard of B1 freehold industrial assets.